Now, after Centre called back 3 IPS officers from the state deputation, in fact, TMC has now responded to Centre's move. TMC leader Saugata Roy, TMC MP Saugata Roy has said it is up to the state to release or not release the IPS officers from the state for central deputation. We have that reaction coming in from TMC MP. Let's listen in.
No. You know the procedure for IAS, IPS officers. They are governed by Article 312 of the Constitution. But after being selected for IAS or IPS, they are assigned a state cadre. They may be West Bengal, Maharashtra, whatever. The centre may ask for names of officers to be sent on deputation. Then it is up to the state to release them or not to release them. The state has this option. So that is the normal procedure. How will this be varied? Unless centre has vacancies and unless centre asks for people to be sent on deputation, their names, what can anybody do?
So that was TMC MP Saugata Roy saying that it is up to the centre to release the state officers for central deputation. I beg your pardon, it is for the state to release the officers for central deputation. In fact, yesterday we also had another TMC MP, Kalyan Banerjee, who said that the state government is accountable to the state assembly. No other person can call for any explanation in respect of law and order situation in the state. This had come after the MHA had issued summons to the Chief Secretary and DGP of Kolkata after the security lapses in BJP President JP Nadda's convoy, because we saw that attack on December 10th on the convoy of JP Nadda, in which even 7 BJP leaders were a part of that convoy. And in fact, this morning we got to know that Centre has called back 3 IPS officers for central deputation. Now we're getting a sense that Mamata government is also going to could probably defy this as well. We will keep a close watch on this story and get you more developments on the face-off that is taking place between central government and Mamata Banerjee government.